Patay tayo dyan. Legend yung nag-request, oh. Hello, Kuya Wawi. Mapapasubo tayo nito, eh. Okay, games. Slow-mo tutorial ng Freak a League with a Twist. Turo ko na rin sa inyo yung tempo sa simula kasi medyo nakakalito siya. Basta pag narinig mo na yung intro, this is what I'm effing gonna do. Next, let's go. Lagyan mo na ng step yon. Yung next, let's, tsaka go. Parang ganito.
This is what I was fucking born to do.
Next, let's clap and drop and pump and drop. Dire-diretso na yung paa. Clap and drop and pump and drop. Sibat, pak, pak, kalma. Okay? Then pukpok, paharap, likod, ikot. Then hito and switch, sito, hampas, criss-cross, angat, abante, atras. Okay? Yun lang yun. Lagyan natin ng mas mabilis sa tugtog. Yaka-yaka, sabay-sabay tayo. Let's go. May higal pa.
This is what I was fucking born to do. Next, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Everybody in the club, fuck it up right now. Fuck it up right now. Fuck it up right now. Everybody in the club.
Yun lang yun. Kaya naman, yaka-yaka nyo lang ko. Medyo hiningal ako. Let's dance.